It begins with nature's oldest sweetener, harvested at peak purity. Every drop is logged, traced, and temperature controlled from source to facility. Controlled entry ensures every ingredient meets strict food safety protocols before crossing the threshold. Digital traceability isn't optional, it's the invisible backbone of modern food production. Precision ratios measured to the gram transform raw materials into wet meets dry under strict thermal control to preserve honey's enzymatic integrity. One perfectly homogenized batter, millions of identical cakes to follow. Every mold receives the exact same promise of quality, measured to the half gram. Controlled heat transforms liquid promise into solid product through precise thermal profiling. And in precisely 14 minutes, the cake is born, ready for the next transformation. Controlled cooling locks in texture while preparing the surface for signature finishing. A signature glaze applied with micron-level precision defines the honey cake experience.
Pattern confirmed. Weight within spec.
Every garnish placed with robotic repeatability ensures visual consistency across millions of units. Barrier packaging preserves freshness while showcasing the product's artisanal appeal. Efficient collation transforms individual units into shippable configurations without compromising product integrity. Algorithm-driven pallet patterns maximize stability while minimizing material usage. Autonomous logistics ensure seamless handoff from production to storage without human intervention. Intelligent warehouse systems optimize storage density while ensuring first expiry, first out rotation. Next pick, aisle 5, bay 12. Copy.
Aisle 5. Scan pallet.
Scan confirmed.
Pallet confirmed. Move to staging lane 2.
Moving to lane 2. Dynamic sequencing ensures optimal load consolidation while meeting precise delivery commitments. Temperature integrity maintained from production to customer ensures peak freshness upon arrival. Rigorous quality verification at every stage ensures every cake meets our uncompromising standards.
Moisture analysis complete. Target met.
Mixer speed adjusted, checking CPK.
Data-driven process control enables proactive adjustments before deviations impact product quality. Proactive maintenance ensures equipment performance remains within specification across millions of production cycles.
Calibration complete, release to production.
Validated sanitation protocols ensure food safety standards are maintained without compromise. Sustainable operations minimize environmental impact while maintaining production excellence. Closed-loop waste management transforms byproducts into valuable resources while minimizing landfill dependency. From raw ingredient to ready-to-ship product, every step is orchestrated for consistency, quality, and efficiency. Laboratory precision validates every production parameter against our uncompromising quality standards. Protocol confirmed. Microbiological vigilance ensures every batch meets food safety standards before release.
Please begin appearance and aroma evaluation.
Human sensory validation complements instrumental analysis to ensure products delight consumers. Predictive stability testing ensures product quality throughout the intended shelf life. Time point 3 sample for texture and moisture analysis. Data affirms stable etching specs. Agreed. Let's optimize the barrier properties now. Rigorous allergen controls prevent cross-contamination and protect consumer safety. End-to-end traceability enables rapid response while demonstrating supply chain transparency.
This mixing step shows a bottleneck. Let's flag it.
Agreed. I'll pull the OEE data.
Quality issues in baking too. Okay, adding to the Kanban board. We'll assign this and review next full.
Investing in people ensures procedural consistency and operational excellence across every production cycle.
Excellent. All steps verified. Thank you.
Quality systems and innovation pipelines converge to evolve products while preserving the craftsmanship consumers trust. Sustainable innovation balances environmental responsibility with product protection and consumer experience. Controlled scale-up de-risks innovation while ensuring new products meet our established quality standards. Flawless commercial launch translates innovation into consumer delight while maintaining operational excellence.
Launch command initiated. Proceed to first article inspection.
Retail readiness ensures products arrive shelf-ready while supporting brand presentation at point of purchase.
Shelf life labels verified against market regulations, all compliant. Initiating transport protocols.
Consumer feedback closes the innovation loop, ensuring products evolve with changing preferences. Proactive supply chain management ensures continuity while adapting to dynamic global conditions. Simulate the disruption scenario on the digital twin. Good. Apply it across all categories. Let's start with the calibration. Okay, initiating sensor check. Good. This maps directly to the leadership path. Investing in people builds organizational resilience while preserving institutional knowledge across generations. Digital transformation unlocks new levels of efficiency while maintaining the human expertise that defines craftsmanship. Transparent reporting builds trust while driving accountability for continuous sustainability improvement.